Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. What's going on, everyone? What's going on? 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 What's going on, Keith? What's up, Solar? What's up, Red? Is the sock coming, man? Will I be eating the sock? I know you guys all want to see it. You guys all want to see me eating the sock. I still don't think I'm going to eat the sock, man. Even though it's not really that far away at this point, but I do not think I'm going to be eating the damn sock. You guys know where I think the bottom's going to be. I'm going to stick to my guns, man. But if we do it, I'll eat the sock, you know? But I don't think we're going to do it. I don't think we're going to do it. I'll show you guys exactly why today. Like I've been telling you the last couple days. You know what I mean? But, let's see, man. Big sell-off today for Bitcoin. We've retraced a little bit back to the upside.
Those likes.
But we went all the way down to like 25K-ish. Crazy, man. Smack up that like button, though. Smack up that freaking like button. Let's get busy. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Should we get started? What should we do? Your guns are looking like wet noodles now? What are you talking about, Clint? You haven't even seen me yet today, man. I know you want to see me very, very bad, man. Calm down. You'll get to see me, okay? You'll get to see me. I'm drinking wine again tonight. You know what that means. You know what that means. What's up, Waterfly? Good to see you, Brand. The Italian Stallion, what's up? John, what's up? Robert, what's up? Robert in the chat. Constantly being a bear. I mean, he's been right. He's been right the last couple months. I can't blame him. All right. Let's jump on in, man. Let's jump on in. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Mo? What's up, Jeremy? Space. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. We're going to jump on in here. All right. Let's see. All right. Shit. Shit. You guys weren't supposed to see this, man. Oh, God. You guys weren't supposed to see this. I'm learning how to eat a sock, by the way. You know, if you guys want to see, he cooks it. And, yeah, he cooks the sock. And, yeah, I'm learning how to cook it just in case I have to do it. You know, look at it. He's cooking it on the freaking pan. You can literally YouTube how to eat a sock. You can find anything on YouTube, man. Look at this. He's sauteing it with oil. Is he cutting onions? He's putting onions in it. Might not be too bad, man. I can make it taste pretty good if I have to. He's putting onions in it. Look at this. Onions. Holy moly, man. He's going nuts. He's going nuts. He's going nuts. But anyways, we're going to jump on it. You guys don't want to see. Or maybe we'll watch that later. How to eat a sock. We can watch that later if you want. But 28,900 Bitcoin coming back up a little bit. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, really not too much. And we reached a low point of, depends on the exchange, but it looks like we hit a low point somewhere around, he's literally cooking the sock. Like, I guess if you have to eat a sock because you lost a bet, you might as well cook it, right? I mean, that's the way I'm looking at it. All right, let me, this one's all jacked up. I don't know what's going on with that chart. But yeah, we hit a low point back down, at least on Coinbase, we hit all the way back down to 25,300. So, big sell-off today. But what I'll say, guys, is we did get that giant sell-off that we've been waiting for, okay? So that is a positive. We kind of talked about that this morning, but if you missed the morning stream, we've been talking about that, okay? I mean, all the bears are jumping up and down for joy, right? Even the bulls are jumping up and down in joy because we wanted something, but the bears are going nuts right now, man. The bears are partying like it's no tomorrow, boy.
Yes! I told you guys to short. You idiots. You idiots. Me, Savvy, Robert Harrell, we're all shorting. Freaking idiots. Look at Stecco. Look at Keith. Look at Eduardo. Look at Marriage. I can't even...
Bro, why is your name that? I can't even... Marriage and... Marriage and Cancer? I can't... Oh, God. Okay. That just threw me off. That just threw me off a little bit. All right. But anyways... what's going on here for BTC? So, I mean, can we respect some type of retrace, or are we, it kind of sort of, it's healthier to eat the sock raw? I mean, we'll find out, man. We'll find out. We'll watch the rest of the video in a little bit. But will Bitcoin get a slight retrace, or are we going to continue down? All right, that's kind of the question that everyone is asking, all right? That's what everyone is asking. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on the shorter term time frames, guys. I think, you're seeing a big volume sell. Look at the volume just dropping off here, okay? Volume's dropping off a cliff, right? And the shorter term time frames, that usually means that we're going to see some type of decent size move at some point here in the near future, okay? Especially when you see the volume falling off a cliff like this after a giant rise up in volume that we haven't seen since last year, okay? You're gonna expect some type of move, okay? I think the case for the bulls, and this is short-term stuff. I'm going to go over more long-term stuff today because that's really what matters. And see where I think the bottom could be and where I think the bottom is going to be. For the case for the bulls, at least for the short term, is some type of head and shoulders pattern here. We got a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. That's the case for the bulls, right? What you really want to do is get a close above the 50 EMA and get a close back above this neckline. That might give you a short-term reversal back to the upside. Once again, I will say this, guys. I mean, patterns, like bullish patterns, bullish TA, I think you got to be careful with a lot of that stuff right now. Just like the same as like bearish TA when Bitcoin's in a bull market, right? You got to be careful with that sometimes. But that would give you a target back up towards 33,500, right near the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So, sorry, on the 1 hour. So that's kind of the bullish scenario. Let's see if we can get back above that. That is like short-term shit, right? I think more people want to know, are we close to a bottom? I don't think people really care about little short-term bounces and things like that. People want to know at this point, are we close to a macro bottom to start accumulating for whenever the next run is for BTC? I think that's what most people want to know. Clint says, look like a cup and handle. Does kind of look like a cup and handle too. Looks a little cup and handly, all right? But short-term shit, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is not really showing me much. I mean, you still have slump bullish divergence, right? You have lower lows, you have higher lows coming in. Hasn't really played out yet, and it didn't really play out yesterday. So I'm not going to really count on that either, okay? I'm not going to really count on that either.
Jordan! These freaking bullish indicators are not going to work! We are in a bear market! Do you know what that means? Bear! B-E-A-R! This is when we just sit back and eat meatloaf. We don't care about gains. We sit back, we eat our meatloaf, and accumulate. These freaking bullish indicators. We're not going up, okay? You're just like Crypto Rover.
But Bob, what did I do to you? I'm just super excited. I'm super excited. No, but in all seriousness, okay? In all seriousness. Short-term shit. So I'm not gonna get too much into that. All right? There's no volume. We actually do have some volume, man. We do have some volume. Hold on. Let me take a sip of wine here. Cheers. What's everyone up to today? What's up, Clint? Good to see you laughing, my friend. What's up, DJ? The bear market. The bear market. But anyways, why am I slightly excited, right? Why am I like Carlo? Why am I like Crypto Rover right now? Why am I super excited? Okay, which I'm getting super excited, right? One, because some of my buy orders hit today. Two, I think we could be seeing maybe more hit. But here's what I'm saying. Right? Look at the volume that we got in the 3-day. Right? We're going to get deep and dirty right now. We're not going to do any of this BS. Right? We're going to get deep and dirty right now and look at the straight facts based off history. I know it's a different market. I'll get all the pencil necks coming in the chat. You can have all the pencil necks coming in the chat. Recession, this and that. I understand. It's a different market. But all we have to look at is the past. Okay? So let's look at a few things. Look at the volume that we got in this 3-day candle. All right? Historically, if we go back and look at the times that we've gotten volume this high or higher, okay, it is marked at least most of the time it's a macro bottom, but at least a short-term bottom, okay? Let's go look in the past, right? You got a massive sell-off right here. Let's go look at May 2021. You had a massive volume sell-off there, okay? That marked pretty much the bottom. Yes, you kind of consolidated sideways for a while, but you pretty much marked the bottom on that sell-off. Right? You had a sell-off right here. Sell-off right here. Pretty much marked the bottom. Yes, you went down to like another $500. What's another $500 among friends? All right? Pretty much marked the bottom right here. Let's go back and look left. All right? Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking what we're looking at here. We had, actually back in March of 2020, we had a big volume sell-off. Okay? Ended up marking a macro bottom. Okay? Within a week, okay? You had a wick that went slightly lower, but you marked the bottom. Let's continue. Let's continue what we got here, man. Continue what we got here. That was actually, if you go back and look, there's been times, like you had macro sell-off right here. You got to bounce back up. Now, it wasn't a complete bull market back to the upside, but you at least got a pretty decent size bounce back up there. You can go back and look, right? At least in the past couple of years, when you've gotten giant sell-offs like that, it has led to rallies that continue back up to the upside. Okay. Now let's look at other things here, right? Big volume sell-off. Let's look at some other things here, right? We have this, right? We have the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA. Historically, have been the bottoms for BTC. Okay, we've been hyping this up forever. This has been like my worst case scenario. Bitcoin going to the 200 SMA. We're not that far now, right? 21,800. What are we talking here? Let's do some quick math here. Bob, let's do the math, man. 28 minus 22. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. What's after 4? 7. All right, let's get Bob out of here. No, but we're about 20. We're about 20. We're about 6 to 7K above. Okay, 6 to 7K above. Above the 200 SMA. Okay, so that is sort of what we can look at there, right? If you go back and look historically, we've talked about the same thing every day, guys. You guys have been watching my stream forever here. We've been talking about this a lot, especially the last couple weeks, right? Bitcoin never has had a weekly close below the 200 SMA. I'm not saying it's impossible, okay? I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm not saying, Bitcoin can't go below the 200 SMA, but all we have to look at is past experience, and we've never had a weekly close below the 200 SMA, all right? Same fact, we've only been below the 200 EMA for 3 months in Bitcoin's entire history, all right? So take that for what it is. If you take that to the bank, all right, historically, this has been the golden buy zone, all right? And I know people like to say, oh, Jordan's golden buy zone. He's a golden boy. Take it for what it is, all right? That is the levels that I'm accumulating at. If we go lower, okay, it is what it is. It is what it is. But if you look at where you think the next cycle could go, eventually, it's gonna be a great buy when you look back at it, all right? So think about it that way, all right? Don't let the fear shake you out, because every time we get close to the 200 SMA, it's always the same fear, right? It's always, oh, we're going lower, but it never does, okay? So take that for what it is. Investment is a gamble, okay? It's always a gamble. Trying to time a bottom is a gamble. Everyone always tries to predict the bottom. It's a gamble anytime you try to predict the bottom. But that's the ranges that I'm accumulating in. I had some buy orders filled today for Bitcoin and ETH. I'm happy with those, okay? I'm already in profit. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to be like George, where you bounce back like $1,000 and all of a sudden, Bitcoin's looking strong today. No, Bitcoin's not looking strong today. But, yeah, I mean, listen, that's the levels I'm looking at, right? Same thing, right? It takes about a year for Bitcoin to usually bottom from the top of its cycles. We're about a year and 3 weeks right now, right? And is it a coincidence that we got the big volume sell-off a year after what I would consider the actual mania phase, which was April and May of 2021? That was the actual mania phase, right? There was more hype in April and May of last year than there was in November last year. April and May last year was absolute hysteria. Everyone was going nuts. Dogecoin was the absolute freaking center of attention, right? Let's be honest. So we're about a year and 3 weeks away from that. Historically, it's taken about a year, right? And, right, that is what I'm looking at, right? Weekly RSI also at levels that you've only seen in the bottom of bear markets, and the monthly RSI at levels that you've only see at the bottom of bear markets. So there's a lot of confluence coming in here in the 20Ks, okay? I don't think we bottomed out yet. I told you guys this. I don't think we bottomed out yet. I think Bitcoin has has lower to go. But my theory is that really the lowest I see it going is the 200 SMA, with maybe a wick below, because we've seen wick belows in the past, all right? So that's my overall thesis of where I see Bitcoin. And I'm not saying it just goes to the 200 SMA and it bounces up right away. You can go sideways after that, right? But that's where I see the macro bottom being somewhere around, at least right now, about 22K, right? That's what I'd see that. George DCA into Luna at 1 cent. I mean, it is what it is, man. That's what he thought was the best at the time. And listen, you got to give him the respect for having some balls, right? I guess you got to give him respect for having some balls. He had some serious diamond balls, man. One thing you can say about George, man. Here's the one thing. He sticks to his convictions and he doesn't care what people say. Okay, he's a long-term holder. He buys and he hodls. Okay, so the one thing I can say about George is he always sticks to what he says. He does not change it up. Okay, which for better or worse. I mean, sometimes it's good to change your thought process and your investment strategy, but that's not what we're gonna go through here. That's the one thing I can say about George. He sticks to his strategy and he doesn't change from his strategy. Okay, so take it for what you will. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It is what it is. You got to take the good with the bad. You're never going to get everything right. What's up? Buying dog coins for Get BTC? Man, that could work for you or couldn't. We'll find out. Clint said you're not in profits. SHIB, Ape, Crow, Luna, KDA, ETH. Clint, I don't own any Ape, Crow, Luna. I own some KDA. So I don't know, Clint. I don't really own any of those, to be honest. You know what I mean? Man, the chat's pissy today. Holy moly, man. Altcoins got to you guys. What's up, Psycho Pearl? I bought FTM at 98 cents. Is that bad? 5K coins. I bought FTM at 98 cents. Is that bad? 5K coins. Hey, man. It's a good long-term hold, man. Just stick to the... Shut the hell up, man. It's a good long-term buy. You just got to be able to go through the bloody times, man. If Bitcoin goes lower, you could see some more blood in the streets. You just got to be okay with it going lower. I mean, that's the reality of the situation right now, man. That's what it is. Someone breaking into a car? Yeah, someone's breaking into a car out there. That's what happens down here. Time to focus on Bitcoin and Sol. Hey, I'm sticking to Bitcoin and ETH. Please turn off the alarm. I'm sticking to Bitcoin and ETH. That's what I'm sticking to right now. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. There's always a car alarm on your stream. There is, man. People set it off for no reason over here. I guess they're all pissy at crypto right now, you know? The alarm is a sign we gonna go up. True. All right, but you guys got my overall take. I guess that's gonna piss people off to say the price is gonna go lower, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. You know what's funny? People are actually getting mad at me in the chat for defending George today. It's crazy, man. Listen, he has a strategy and he sticks to it. You know, did he probably get some people wrecked? I mean, telling people to buy at $40, $1, 1 cent. Yeah, but it is what it is, man. That's his strategy. It's worked for him, right? It's clearly worked for him. Cygnet's ham sandwich. BTC went up. Everything else went up. I'm not worried about alts. We'll find out. What else we got? Total market cap. We had this fractal we were looking at yesterday, guys. We had this fractal and, you know, sort of we deviated from it, right? We deviated slightly from the fractal, all right? What we kind of said about the fractal, this is the 2018 fractal. More so what I'm looking at this fractal is if we matched it, right? How low comparatively could you go, right? How low comparatively could you go? But $900 billion is where it would go, which we said is approximately about at 900 billion. Oh crap, Jabba's running downstairs, man. Hold up.
My Lambo! No! My Lambo! Someone just stole one of my Lambos! Shit! Shit, Melissa's gonna kill me! Oh, good thing I have 3 more.
Put some smiles on your faces in the chat, man. Holy moly, bro. George said DCA in, so price. DCO. Job is so rich right now, he doesn't care if people stole his Lambo. Seriously, it's crazy. I should have listened to Jabba. You should have, man. You should have. Maximus. That was too good. Thank you, Max. Listen, man. Listen, I think what this comes down to, guys, is and we're going to have some real talk today, okay?
Rant alert.
When Bitcoin's dropping, it's never going to be fun. Who said this was going to be fun? Who said it was going to be fun? But this is what we've been talking about, right? We didn't think this was going to be fun. Never, the best times to buy Bitcoin and the best times to buy crypto are never fun. Those are the times that suck. Those are the times where you have this, every time you press that buy button, you have that gut-wrenching feeling in your stomach that you're like, I don't know if I should be buying right now, right? It's very easy to press buy when the prices are mooning. Very easy to buy. Oh yeah, I'm going to join the parade. Woohoo, I'm going to make money too. Woohoo! It's very easy to press that buy button when the prices are going up. It sucks pressing that buy button when the prices are going down, right? So it's not easy. If it was easy, everyone would be freaking rich. Everyone would have gotten in crypto in 2018, 2019, 2020. But the fact is, no one wanted to. Just like no one wants to press buy right now. But it's about averaging in. It's not about time in the freaking bottom. It's about averaging in, right? And my point is that I always like to make is this, okay? Let's go back to 2018 real quick. Let's go back to 2018. Let's go back to 2018. So a lot of people like to make this comparison. Let's just say in 2018, you know, we're somewhere in this range right here, right? Let's just say, we don't know if we are. This is just a hypothetical. We're right here, right? Before we had a 50% crash back down to 3K. Let's say we were chilling around 6K, and this is the equivalent of 6K, all right? In hindsight, okay, would you be mad right now if you bought Bitcoin at 6K? No, you wouldn't be mad. Would you be mad if you bought it at 8K, 9K, 10K, 11K, 12K, 13K, 14K? No, you wouldn't be mad, okay? And that's the whole point of averaging in slowly. I'm not saying go all in, but averaging in slowly. You'd be happy if you bought a lot at 6K and then you had some dry powder to buy at 4K, right? And 5K. I don't know why I went down and the prices go up. But anyways, you get the point. At 3K, okay? That's sort of my point. Average in slowly. You would have been happy if you bought Bitcoin at 6K, okay? So keep your eye on the price, guys. Keep your eye on the price. It's not going to be pretty. Everyone's bearish right now. Everyone thinks the price is going to go lower. Everyone has blood on their hands, has blood all over their clothes. Okay? People like to play this like blaming games. Let's blame this person. Let's blame that person. No. Pick your balls off the ground. Make decisions that are going to improve your life in the future. Okay? Stop playing this little pity party. It's not a pity party, man. It's not a pity party. It's not going to be fun. You're never going to be like, yes, I want to buy Bitcoin after it just dumped 30%. Yes, I'm so excited. Now, some people do. Some people do. Those are the smart people. Yes, I want to buy Bitcoin after it just had a negative 20% day. Yes. And those are the people who make it, man. Not the people who buy Floki Inu after it 100x. Like most people do. Right? Exactly, Trevor. It's a long game. Have the eye on the prize. It is what it is. These are exciting times. Whether you believe it or not, these are exciting times. These are exciting times. It's these times that are going to make you rich, not when Bitcoin's at 60K. That ain't going to make you rich. It's these times that are going to make you rich. Buying ETH sub 2K. Buying altcoins down 85%. Could they go lower? Abso-freaking-lutely. They can go down 99%. But that's not the freaking point. The point is if you have a long-term game, it doesn't matter. Holy moly, guys. Come on, man. We knew this. We knew this. Come on, man. I'm going nuts. What if I DCA in all the way at Bitcoin just ends up going to zero? Well, that's dude. What's the not the most famous saying? Scare money, don't make no money. If you keep all your money in your bank account, you ain't gonna make shit. Now, could you argue keeping money in your bank account right now is a smart thing? Yes. But if you never... I got my Lambo back, bitch! You thought you were getting away from me? Sayonara, sucker! Sayonara, suckers! I can't talk. No, but... no, but, Jabba got his Lambo back. It's going nuts out there, man. I don't know what's going on out there today. That's crazy. I don't even remember what I was saying, man. I was just going nuts right there. I was going absolutely nuts, rambling. But you get the point. You guys get what I'm trying to say, man. You get what I'm trying to say. But I like pussy parties. Nice, Sir Dude. I'm sure you do, man. No, Sir Dude doesn't like pussy parties. Oh, yes, he does. Yes, he does. It's better than like an shit. Dido parties.
Rant alert.
Green Dido parties. Actually, we like green Dido parties. Red Dido parties. We don't want those. Times said, Times did that. Please turn into George and tell us to buy Luna. Dude, I don't want to. Listen, I don't want to do George dirty like that. You know, listen. Does he... this is controversial to say. This is very controversial to say. You know what? I am controversial. You know what? Screw it. Do I agree with him telling people to DCA into Luna after what happened the last 3 days? No. I don't. I don't, man. I don't. And this is obviously controversial to say because a lot of people like George. I don't agree with it. Okay? I don't agree with him telling people to DCA into Luna. Out after it happened. No one's going to have confidence in that project, and you see it in the price. It was obvious, right? And an ape could have told you that, right? But he did. And unfortunately, I mean, it is what it is. Now, I'm not going to rub it in because I know he lost a lot of money, and I don't want to rub it in. I don't want anyone to lose money like that. And I feel bad for everyone who did lose money. But I think it becomes a certain time where it's like, you know, I don't know, man. There's a time and place, and I don't think that was the time and place. But I don't want to rub it in, man. I don't want to rub it in. I feel bad. I feel bad because you can tell that he's upset about it, and I don't want to rub it in, man. All right? So we're going to end it at that. Okay? It is what it is. Clint, what's up, man? Let's bet $100. It's been a while. Whoever is closest to the close, I'm calling 29,200. I lose, I super chat. I win, you send to money to my wallet. Okay. We can do that, Clint. We can do that, Clint. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. All right, the daily close, Clint. We'll do that, Clint. You're calling 29,200. I see what you're doing, Clint. I see what you're doing. Clint. I see what you're doing. I see your TA skills. No, I actually don't see what you're doing, to be honest. All right, give me 2 seconds, Clint. Give me 2 seconds. Let's see. I thought that sound was Bob's car getting repoed. Bought too much Floki. Let's see. Ron G said George is going to be rich. Yeah, he is, man. George has the right mindset. I'm strictly just talking about Luna. The Luna situation. He has the right mindset, though. The mindset is DCAing and holding long term. I agree with it. And that's why I watch George, because he has the right mindset. In the end, he's going to be the winner. Right? In the end, he's going to be the winner. Doesn't seem like it now, but he is. Jordan getting serious mode on. Oh, I'm serious today, man. I'm serious. No, because I'm telling you guys, like, we can have fun and all this stuff. These are the times to pay attention. These are the times that are really going to count in the long run, right? I'm telling you, these are the times that are going to count in the long run. Not 2 months, not 3 months ago, not 6 months ago, not in 2021. These are the times that are going to matter in the long run. The decisions you make now are going to be the ones that either make or break it, man. They're make or break it, and we'll see. We'll see who's right, man. Sir Dude said, no, that was Jabba, man. I threw $100 on Luna just in case. Hey, it might go. I mean, who knows? Who knows, man? I mean, you never know with that stuff. Maybe it bounces back. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that, but maybe it bounces back. All right. Anyways, Clint, let me pick a price for Clint here. I'm down for $100 bet, man. 29.5. Is this at the daily close, Clint? I'm gonna say 20. Clint, you got me, man. I know what you did. I know what you did. And it's not fair what you did, okay? I know what you did. And I see what you did. All right, man, it depends on if I think short-term Bitcoin's going to go up in the next 30 minutes. Let me do some TA real quick. Let me do some TA. All right. I got my answer, Clint. I got my answer for you. And it is going to be, let me do some TA. Not like it really matters, I guess. I'm going to choose 29,199. 29,199. Bets on, Clint. So I'm basically saying it's going to be lower than what you said. 29,199. Let's get it, man.
Rant alert.
Yeah, what's going on, Average Joe Crypto? Nice of you, man. Good for you, bro. Good for you. Nice, dude. Hey, if you're still making videos right now, man, it takes a lot of, I mean, these times are not the most fun times to live stream or the most fun times to make videos. So, props to you, man. If you're still making videos, putting content out there, nice Average Joe Crypto. Never watched you, my friend, but maybe I'll check you out after the stream, dude. That's nice of you, man. Go check out Average Joe Crypto. I don't know anything about Average Joe Crypto, you know, but he's an average Joe, so maybe he's cool. I don't know. Sir Dude, 29,199. Elliot said 29,198. Oh man, no, he meant the 5-minute close. Oh, come on, you're crazy, man. All right, 29,201. All right, I'm pretty confident in my bet, man. I'm going to win this bet. I'm pretty confident. If I don't win this, I'm going to take the L because that means I'm horrible. All right. All right, let's get it. I mean, we're kind of just hanging out right now, man. I mean, everything's hinged on BTC, like we've been saying. It's 7:34. I feel like it should be later than 7:34. I've been sort of just hanging out here, crapping the crap. But like we said, guys, I mean, the biggest thing for me is this volume candle, man. There's volume! There is finally volume! Karen! Get in here! There's volume! The first time there's been volume. If we're being honest, it's actually pretty awesome if you think about it. It's the first time there's been volume since May of 2021. Literally the first time we've seen volume since then. ApeCoin gonna go right. Gonna go right. Oh, BTC, don't do this to me, man. BTC, chill. That's all right. We still got 25 minutes until the close. I'll be very, very upset if I lose this bet. Very, very upset. He's back. There's no freaking volume. They actually have some volume right now, which is pretty awesome. It's been over a year. Oh crap! I didn't want to show this chart, man. I don't want to show this chart, bro. That's gonna give some people PTSD. I don't want to show that chart, man. None of that today. None of that today. That's just brutal, bro. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Total 3, right at the bottom of the range. Right at the bottom of the range. 450. So we're in the bottom of rip range. You know, it could be wick back down here again. Abso-freaking-lutely we can. Abso-freaking-lutely. Is he saying volume matters now? I see what you're doing, Mike. You guys know my old rants.
Rant alert.
Volume doesn't matter. Which, yes, I would agree. Here's what I'll say. Normally, I would agree that volume doesn't matter. I don't think really volume does matter. And this is just my personal opinion. But here's what I'll say. When it comes to capitulations in Bitcoin's past, it does matter. Well, it has mattered in the past. And that's marked bottom. So I would say I think volume sometimes can be like, oh my God, there's no volume. Bitcoin can't go up. That's just not true. That's just really not true. But yeah, I would say as far as capitulations goes and market bottoms, you want to see that just absolute just destruction at the bottom. Now, is this it? Are we going to see more? That's seriously the question. We all want to see a train wreck. Is that Tether right now? Everyone's saying it's going to happen to Tether, man. I mean, listen, I'll show the chart. Okay. That's the moment of silence. Yeah, besides that, I mean, you guys can see the price. Listen, I'm not going to comment on it, man. I mean, at this point, dude, Luna's a dead project. Just forget about Luna, okay? It's not coming back from this, man. So, R.I.P., bro. But, when basement, I don't know. The world's smallest violin. How are violins supposed to sound? Are they supposed to sound more legit? They play this music whenever Jabba enters a buffet. Jabba enter a buffet? Come on, man. You can't do him like that. You can't do him like that. Look at all this food. Bob, come on. Come on. Do they have meatloaf? Do they have meatloaf? Jabba, do you see meatloaf anywhere? No, I don't see meatloaf. Jabba, Bob, just get anything. Get anything. No. Okay. Oh God, man, that was good. That was good. That was really good. That was a great comment in the chat, man. That was great. Just great. Doquan broke, all broke. Yeah. I mean, it is what it is, man. All you can eat crypto. Oh, jeez. 29, 185. Clint, it always comes... What I'll say about me and Clint's bets is it always comes down to the wire. Now, I think I made the wrong decision here. But time will tell. You never know with this shit. My stream is volume. I mean, I don't know if it does. I actually never look at the viewers until after the stream. Doesn't really matter to me. Sergio said it could be worse. It could be BitBoy entering. Come on, Sergio. I said this yesterday. BitBoy has lost a lot of weight. Okay, I give him a lot of credit. If people put the work in and I see it, I give him a lot of credit. BitBoy has lost a lot of weight, so I have to give him a little credit, man. You can tell. If you go back a year ago, he had some like shady haircut that looked horrible. And he probably lost a good 50, 60 pounds. You can tell. So I got to give him credit where it's due. He actually looks a lot better than he did a year ago. All right? Now, I know everyone likes to meme the I need a shit. I need a spotter. Shit. God. Oh my God. TJ spotter. No, I know everyone likes to meme that, but listen, he does look a lot better. I got to give him some credit. Just threw $100 at Luna. F it. I've dropped 100 on way worse bets. Hey man, screw it. Listen. Here's what I'll say about that. If you wanted, I'm not buying any Luna. But if you wanted to throw some in Luna as a lottery ticket and you're okay if it going to zero, I mean, do you, man? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, right? Throwing $100 in, hey, screw it. How come there's no Luna icons? God. I mean, I could add one if you want. Rodney, you want a Luna icon, man? I can add it tomorrow. I got you, man. Eating. Where's this thing? Come on, man. Oh, God, man. All right. Anyways, we got 17 minutes into the close. I mean, Bitcoin's at 29.2, so it's not really... Dude, who is street racing out there today? Is it still Jabba? Bro. Someone's going nuts out there right now. But no, for Bitcoin, I mean, looks like we're going to close above where we were yesterday. go. Someone is going nuts out there right now. Holy moly. But yeah, as long as we close above where we were yesterday, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, we're not really going to close anywhere below pretty significant. So, I mean, I would say, I mean, preferably, I mean, actually, I guess it doesn't really matter. I mean, we already closed below the July 21st lows of last year. So I guess in reality, does it really matter at this point? Not really. So, I mean, it's nothing we're really fighting over on the daily close, I don't think. I mean, either way, it's kind of indecision candle. 3-day, not really anything we're fighting over. I would say for the 3-day, it looks like, is this closed today? May 10th? Yeah, so the 3-day looks like it closes today. What I'd say is the 3-day looks a little shady, right? This is going to be the first close that we're going to get below the summer lows on the 3-day. And you're actually breaking below the wick at the bottom. So the 3-day looks a little shady. I think if anything, we want to get a close above 29.6, which seems a little bit unlikely at this point unless we see some big pump here in the next 15 minutes. Or not a big pump, but at least a little bit of a pump. So the 3-day looks a little shady, but I mean, we can all see that the 3-day looks shady. The weekly, I don't think really has any significant level. I mean, the weekly, I'd like to close above the 200 EMA, but I mean, if we're all expecting the 200 SMA at this point, does it really matter? I don't think so, right? Holy, I just remember it's May 12th? Holy moly, man. How is it May 12th already? I feel like it was just May 1st. It was literally just May 1st. That's crazy. Probably going nuts because they all lost all their bread in crypto. Dude, people are going nuts in the streets right now. Nuts in the streets right now. Everyone's going insane. Stock market's crashing. Crypto's crashing. Everyone is, it's just an absolute shambles over here right now. It's absolute shambles in the streets right now. You can hear people crying because, I mean, it's bad. It's bad. I mean, there's absolute hysteria in the streets. Everyone's losing everything. The market is about to do whatever no one expects. No one expects up. No one expects up right now. Literally no one. Does anyone think that we're going to just blast off to the moon right now? Let's continue the streak. Will Bitcoin break 28K again tonight? 65% said yes. I mean, we saw last night. It looked like it wasn't going to happen, and it happened. So, we'll see. Let me end this poll. Does anyone think that we're just going to go on some run right now? I don't see it, man. Now, that could be a good thing that I don't see it, and that could be a good thing that no one sees it. I hope it is. That would be nice. But, let's see. Max thinks me. Clint says nothing is crashing. Everyone's panicking. I wonder what would happen if everything, like the stock market, crypto, everything just crashed. I wonder if there would be absolute, like, madness in the streets everywhere. Not even just here, but everywhere. I wonder what would happen. That's like the evil mind in me. Don't mind me. How we gonna go up? I have no idea. There's definitely people who think up. Yeah, I think the people... Here's what... Can I rant a little bit?
Rant alert.
I think even the people who think we're going to go up right now are a little delusional, right? You're talking about guys like Tech Dev who have been posting fractals since freaking Nam, right? You're talking about Plan C. I mean, even Plan C is bearish right now. Plan B is bearish, right? I mean, who's bullish besides Tech Dev? And George. George is not even bullish. Even George is like, oh, it's ugly right now. Right? Even George is bearish. He won't admit it, but he is. He won't say the word he's bearish, but he is. Listen, I don't know. There's not really anyone bullish. Can you name someone that's bullish right now? And by bullish, I mean not, okay, a little bounce up 2-3K. I'm saying, a bullish where Bitcoin actually goes on some type of run. Clint said, you clowns don't remember 2000 or 2008. Way worse than today. All right, Clint, unfortunately, I was a little wee yingling during those times. Way worse than today. Nothing's crashing. People calling for 10K. Hold on. Let's do another poll, man. Let's do another poll. DIY investing. Yeah, that guy's always bullish too. Let's do this. Let's do. Where do you think Bitcoin will bottom? We haven't done one of these. Where do you think Bitcoin will bottom? Be honest on this poll, guys. I actually want to get a general sentiment of what you guys think. Let's do. I'm gonna do below 10K. Okay, for all you freaking weirdos out there, I think Bitcoin's going below 10K. Let's do below 20K. Above 10K. Let's do below. I don't know. Let's do below. I don't know. This is sort of random. Let's do below 20. Let's do below 25K. Let's just assume we below 25K, above 20K. Let's do we already bottomed, assuming that we went to like 25,000 something today, right? But let's see what you guys think. Let's see. I haven't done one of these polls in a while, and we're kind of just shooting the shit until Bitcoin decides to make a next move. All right, bullish scenario, head and shoulders, move back up to like 33K-ish. Bearish scenario, what we've done every single time, just make lower highs and continue down. Let's see, 21,587. You guys are getting really pinpointed here on this. This is crazy. Really pinpointed. Let me refresh the camera here because we're a little fuzzy. We can't have that. Don't be Luna on the likes, Jordan Knights. Thank you, Dan. Yeah, if you guys could smack the likes, it's awesome. Appreciate it. Lost for words with the super chat with the laughing face. Thank you, man. Yeah, man. And a lot of people are saying, oh, Jordan's so bearish right now. Guys, I told you. I'm loading up between 22 and 27. All right? I'm putting it out there. That's where I'm loading it up. If we drop below there, once again, I'll take the L. But you have it here. I'm loading up between 22 and 27. That's my range. So I'm not like uber bearish. I think we're pretty much like, I mean, we went to 25K today. I mean, we pretty much went in that range, right? So I don't think we have too much lower to go, in my opinion. I don't know if anyone can call the exact number. You never know. 12K. All right, some of you guys are crazy, man. Ant mooning. Wow, this is how you know people are bearish, man. Look at this poll. If you asked this 2 months ago, everyone will be bullish still. Where do you think Bitcoin will bottom? Okay, so we got 500 votes in here at the moment. All right, we already bottomed. Only 21% of people think we already bottomed. Only 21% of people. Think about that for a second. So almost 80% of people think that we're going lower. There's got to be a break-in point at some point. Is it now? We'll find out. But, man, 80% of people think we haven't bottomed yet. 49% of people, high majority think that we're going to bottom between 20K and 25K. That's kind of where I am, right? Between 20K and 25K. 23% said between 10K and 20K. That's a pretty high number. And 7% think below 10K. You guys are trolls, man. There's no way you guys actually think that. 7% say below 10K. Come on, man. Ah. 7%. You can tell me almost 1 out of 10 of you guys think we're going below 10K? You got to be kidding me. Usually minority wins. Very true. 80% think that that we haven't bottomed yet. That's crazy. I've never seen, like, in my whole time in crypto, I've never seen the space this bearish, man. I've never seen it. For the point where I've actually been, like, part of the community, I've never seen it this bearish. Not even during the pandemic where everyone thought a zombie apocalypse was coming. People were still bullish back then. The halving, right? People thought there was a zombie apocalypse coming. And people were more bullish than there are now. It's crazy. $19K will be the bottom, said Safe Moon Jacob. That would be such a troll if it went to $19K. Let's break below the previous all-time high, then bounce back up. That would be such a troll. Rodney said, not trolling. Rodney, where do you think we're going, man? I respect your opinion, Rodney. Where do you think we're going? Even though if I remember correctly, Rodney, okay, if I could be wrong about this, but if I remember correctly of last year, I remember Rodney being pretty bearish at the lows last summer. If I remember correctly. Is this correct? Rodney, come on, man. Listen, I'm not saying I'm right either. I was bullish at 69K. But, Rodney, if I remember correctly, you were pretty bearish at 29K last time. Not saying you're wrong to be bearish right now. I am. But, below 10K, come on, man. You said go down to... you guys are at the gongo. It's like a meme now. Gongo. Oh, man. Let's see. Let me go back over here. Back over here. Shoot this. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to do an update on Bitcoin and Luna. So guys, you can see that Bitcoin is getting a nice rally back to the upside right now. This could be the start of the run that we are looking for. So we got to drop all the way down to about 26,600. And you can see that Bitcoin is getting a massive bounce back up to 29K. This could be the start of the next bull run, guys. All right. So don't fret. Bitcoin is bouncing back right now. Bitcoin is holding Bitcoin is holding strong, okay? Man, Bitcoin's never be strong, guys. The fundamentals are strong. The price action is holding up greatly. Let's go look at the daily chart to see how well it's holding up. Look at how well Bitcoin's holding up right now, guys. Okay, so just continue to DCA, right? That's what I say. Bitcoin's holding strong. All right, now let's go talk about Luna. Yesterday, I got my average down. I actually 10x my investment yesterday, and, you know, we're back down 90% more. Shit. Shit. How do I rationalize this? Let's blame BlackRock. BlackRock is manipulating the market. They are manipulating the market. This is ridiculous. You know, something's going on, man. Manipulation. Shit, man. Christ, I can't keep saying manipulation over and over again. They're not going to believe me anymore. Run out of excuses here. I'm going to continue to DCA. I don't have a choice at this point. I could just stop DCAing and invest in actual projects, but I'm going to keep DCAing into Luna here. I don't have a choice. All right. I have nothing else to say. No Q&A again. No Q&A. See you guys. All right. Thank you, George. Thank you, George, man. Thank you, George. Top sign is George talking about your coin to sell immediately. Of course it is, man. We've been talking about this forever. If George talks about your coin, sell it immediately. Okay? Not immediately. But, I mean, sell it soon. Sell it soon, man. We know this. DCA. I had to do it, man. Someone was asking for it. I had to do it. Sell the blood in the streets. Crypto Kirby was right. Dude, Crypto Kirby is always saying Bitcoin looks bearish. Of course, my biggest thing about bears, guys, is they're bearish every day. Of course, sometimes they're going to be right. But if you zoom out on Bitcoin, they're the biggest losers in the space. Of course, they're going to be right for a little bit. Bitcoin's not just going to go up like this, right? I mean, think about it this way. Of course, if Bitcoin just went up like this, they'd be always wrong, okay? But of course, if you're always bearish for years, of course you're going to be right sometimes. Come on, man. But if you're bearish on Bitcoin for the long term, what the hell are you doing, man? What the hell are you doing? Of course you're going to be right sometimes. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to say Bitcoin's going to have pullbacks sometimes. Bitcoin's going to have bear markets sometimes. It is what it is, man. Doesn't mean they're right. It just means that they're, okay, they've been saying it every single day. And of course they're going to be right sometimes. That's one of my biggest pet peeves. Oh, this person's right. Dude, these bears have been bearish since 3K. So no, they're not right. They're not right. Optical Alert caught it perfectly, though. No, dude, come on. Don't start with Optical Alert, man. Oh, God. This is I think what I hate more is people saying the bears are right. These bear channels are right. More than actually losing money. I actually think this is true, right? Because people just forget so easily, man. These guys have been calling for a market crash since Bitcoin was at 3K. Like, come on, man. You're gonna make me freaking lose hair, man. You're gonna make me lose hair.
Rant alert.
Mega Spice said, Jordan, do you think because everyone thinks it's gonna go down, it won't? So far everyone thinks it's gonna go down, it keeps going down. So I can't say that, right? I mean, typically, you know me. Typically, if the herd thinks one way, there's a good chance of going the other way. And I think right now, I mean, there's a chance Bitcoin has some relief rally back up right now, but I'm not confident in it at the moment. Mainly because, I mean, you got this Luna shit going on, right? Which is just making people who don't actually know about crypto super, like, skeptical of it, right? Because they think if one project does this, oh, well, all the other projects can do it, right? And it just makes crypto look bad, right? So you're in a tough spot. That, along with the economy and people just selling off everything, I think it's tough. It's tough right now. But generally speaking, if 80%, you got 80% of people that think Bitcoin's going to go lower right now, typically the herd would be wrong. But right now they've been right. So at some point they'll be wrong. But this is what I mean. The lower Bitcoin goes, people are always going to think lower. Bitcoin drops to 25K, people are going to be calling for 20K. Bitcoin drops to 20K, people are going to think it's going to 15K. Bitcoin drops to 15K, people are going to think 10K and 5K. The real bears will never buy in. They'll miss the bottom at some point. It's just a matter of when the bottom is. Does anyone really know? No. Based off history, it's the 200 SMA. We'll find out. We'll find out if it holds up or not, right? That's all we can really say, right? Everyone has predictions and this and that and that and that. Every prediction's been wrong so far as the bottom, right? Every prediction's been wrong. So let's find out. That's what I'm doing. Shit, Clint, baby. Come on, Clint. Respect the TA, bro. Just kidding. I love you, Clint. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Tokyo Open Luna Pump. Respect the TA. Sergio said, what up, Jordan? I feel good today. It's good, man. You should be feeling good. Market, your portfolio is in red. At the end of the day, man, money isn't everything. I mean, I would slightly disagree with that statement. I think money's a lot. Okay. I would say this. I think there's a different way I can word this. Money should not dictate your happiness. I think that's a different way to say this. Okay. Yes, I would say money is important. It's how you live. You have more of it. You have a better quality of life. You have less stress. You guys get the point. But don't let money be your point of happiness. Yes, the markets are going down. If you're a hodler, do not let it affect your happiness. Think about it in a positive way, that the prices are going lower and now you have time to accumulate lower. And when the price is going back up, guess what? You're going to be even more rich. Think about it that way, okay? Have patience. It's not the end of the world. It is what it is. You just have to wait a little longer than we expected, right? That's all it is. That's all it is. We have to wait. What it basically means is we have to wait longer to expect it the price that we expected last year. Okay? 2020 was still a great year for everyone that was in here, right? I think people forget that. 2020 was a massive year. 2021 was a massive year. Did it go as high as we thought it would? No. Now, to get to some of those price levels we thought, we might have to wait a little longer. But think about it in a positive way. Don't let your portfolio going down dictate your happiness. Life's too short for that, man. Life's too short for that. What's up, John G? I'll get scared at 17K. Why 17K, Joel? It's so random. Money helps me be sad comfortably. There you go. I mean, it's true. Having money makes you less stressed in life.
I also know my question is not financial advice. I just want to know what your opinion is.
Safe Moon Jacob? Oh, God. Okay, no, Safe Moon Jacob, he's actually legit. I thought he was going to ask a question about Safe Moon, and I was going to go.
Nope.
Safe Moon Jacob, what's up, man? What do you think Bitcoin low will be? And also, what do you think will be Crow and Mana low? Dude, this is like Safe Moon Jacob. I'm going to be honest with you, man. I'm not going to bullshit you, okay? I'm not a bullshitter. Do I have any freaking clue what the low will be for Crow and Mana? Absolutely not. I can do the best and tell you where I think it could go based on where I think Bitcoin could go, but I'm not going to bullshit you, all right? But I'll tell you where I think it could go, all right? Safe Moon Jacob, I just want to be honest with you, man. Times right now are very unpredictable, right? All right, let's go check out, what was it? What was the two? What was the two for my guy? Crow and Mana. All right, let's check out Crow. I should check out Mana because I already have the chart over here. No, we'll check out Crow first. Oh, my. I don't even want to look at this chart, man. Gives me XRP vibes. All right, let's look over here. Let's go to Crow on, let's go to Kronos. Is this a good chart? Yeah, there we go. Where could this one go? All right, let's do a little dubious speculation here, okay? A little dubious speculation. Let's say Bitcoin goes to 22K, and that's the hypothesis I'm going for right now. No, don't make fun of me. Yes, I said hypothesis. Get over it. Let's say Bitcoin goes to 22K. All right. Let's think about it this way. That's about, let's do some math here. Let's do some math. Come on, Jordan. It's your best subject, man. Let's go from 28K down to 22K. We're talking about 23%. It's a pretty big drop. And I'll say this, if Bitcoin drops another 23%, just be prepared for probably altcoins to drop. I mean, I don't want to scare you guys. I'm not going to bullshit though. Altcoins to drop another 60, 70, 80% down. I know that sounds like it won't happen. Just look at the last couple days, man. Bitcoin's dropped like 3K and altcoins have dropped 20% a day, 30% a day. Just be prepared for it, man, because there's going to be absolute blood in the streets. So let's just say it goes down 80%. Okay, I mean, I'm just being honest. Based off what we've seen the last couple of days. I think two areas you could look at. This is if Bitcoin drops 20%. Okay? This is if Bitcoin drops 20%. I'm just going based off that hypothesis. 8 cents and 5 cents. Just two previous lows. I mean, we're not going to keep it. We're going to keep it very simple here. Two previous lows, support levels. That's where I'd be looking at for Crow. And that's if Bitcoin dropped to low 20Ks. All right? Blood in the streets? Yes, blood in the streets. That's what I'd say for Crow. I'm going to keep it simple. Could it go lower than that? That if Bitcoin broke 20K? Yes. Mana? Let's see. Most people won't tell you that. Most people, oh, it's going to hold support here. No, if Bitcoin dumps, it's gone. And just like anything, if Bitcoin wants to bounce from here, all right, cool. Altcoins will bounce too. It's that simple. Mana is, wait, we didn't do Mana. Mana's at 70 cents. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, man. All right. Mana, I mean, you should have some support down here at the lows. I mean, that's obvious, but it's going to be about, Let's see. It's about a 50% drop. 80% would be at the previous high here. So I look at these. Somewhere around here. 13 cents. That sounds brutal, man. 13 cents, man. Listen, I'm just being honest. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. Okay? I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. That's the reality of the situation. Now, we don't know if Bitcoin's dropping to the low 20K. So let's not get like... Let's not get absolutely, you know, doom and gloom, okay? That's where I think it's going, but... Man. It's crazy to think about. Robert said, man, I warned you all. Retro Gaming at 300K, now I have 73 cents. That's horrible, man. That's horrible. It's crashing? What's crashing, man? I don't think anything's crashing. I heard Tron was the next target. Everyone's saying this is the next target. Listen, guys, enough with the targets, man. I mean, let's see what happens. You're not going to know. I've heard AVAX is the next target. Tron's the next target. USDT is the next target. Everything's the next target. Hell, Bitcoin's the next target. Yeah, Clint, you lost, man. You lost. Sorry to tell you, man. Tasty sugar-coated amber turd. That sucks, man. Mega Spice. You have some good takes, man. What's up, Life? Good to see you, man. I saw you on Around the Blockchain today, man. Good job on there, man. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up, bro. Do you have any differently build network? Are you gonna change your take profit plans? Yeah, for sure, man, for sure. I'm definitely gonna be more aggressive on taking profits, for sure. That's probably the one thing I would say that I didn't do well enough. Buying lows for me is not hard, but taking profits for me sometimes can be. So. That's definitely one of my biggest lessons that I learned last year, for sure. For sure. And the other thing is, when my portfolio starts getting too alt heavy, aka anything over 30% alts, swap that back into Bitcoin and ETH, man. Don't be too heavy in alts. I know alts are exciting. It's like, oh my gosh, you can make a ton of money in altcoins, right? But you got to be prepared to move those back into stable coins or Bitcoin and ETH at some point. Never be too heavy in altcoins, especially during mania phases. You can get, I mean, that could go down pretty fast. That's probably my second biggest lesson, right? I wish I was more heavy in Bitcoin and ETH. I'm about 80% Bitcoin and ETH right now, but I wish I was more heavy on Bitcoin and ETH. At this point, I wish I was 90 plus Bitcoin and ETH. You know what I mean? Shards said, after a long while of DCAing, I have one full ETH. Nice, man. Nice, dude. Hey, cheaper prices, it's going to allow you to get to that one ETH. It's going to allow you to get to that one BTC. Whereas a couple months ago, you had no shot, right? A lot of people had no shot. Lower Bitcoin goes, the better you're going to have a chance of getting to that goal, right? A lot of people have goals of getting to one Bitcoin, getting to one ETH, right? Doing this, doing that. Happy for you, man. Celebrate music for that. Thanks for keeping crypto fun, even in the dull moments. Someone's got to do it, man. Someone's got to do it. Can't be all doom and gloom, you know? Let's go. Even though we're talking about lower price targets, it can't be all doom and gloom. You got to spin it in a positive way, okay? The lower the prices, the more you accumulate at the lower prices, the more money you'll make when the market goes back up versus if it just moved months ago. Okay? You got to think of it in a positive light. It will be, I want to say, it will be okay. It's going to be hard times, okay? Just look at right now. Right now is not fun, but come on, man. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Joel said, my goal was 1 Luna. Oh, God. That's a bad joke, man. It's a bad joke. Too soon. Talking to Fish. You win some, you lose some. Clint, you're the stud, man. You're the stud, man. You got the next one, brother. I know you're going to win the next one, man. Back testing the 20. Yeah, back testing the 20. We'll see. I mean, the bullish scenario for the Bulls, like super short-term time frame stuff, the bullish scenario for the Bulls is some type of head and shoulders pattern to the upside, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, continuation with a target back up to 33.5. That's the bullish scenario for the Bulls. I mean, right now the Bears are in control. We just can't make a higher high right now, right? We just cannot make a higher high. It's just consistently. We got the 4-hour stocks coming up. We got the 4-hour RSI, which was showing bullish divergence. Didn't really play out as well as we could. I mean, sometimes it can take a little bit to play out, but now has some more room to run to the downside if it wants to, you know? What's up, Jerry D? Good to see you, man. I haven't seen you in forever, dude. Stay tight. I mean, these are the times. Jerry. I know I haven't seen you in a while, but these, I want to make sure before you go, because you've been a big supporter of my channel, man. These are the times you want to pay attention. Make sure you're paying attention now, because these are the times, these are the most important times to pay attention to crypto. 80-90% of people are gone. Don't care. But these are the times to pay attention, man.
Everyone stay calm. Never ever panic.
Baby formula now worth more than Bitcoin. And it's inflation, man. That's inflation. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Baby
Good day.
formula now worth more than Bitcoin.
Crypto follows the stock market. Very true, not all. Very true. What's up, Stumbledore? Appreciate you too, man. I mean, so many people watching my channel forever just been being studs lately, man. I love the people who watch my channel forever are super, super positive. I love it. I love it, man. Like, you can be bearish on price action, but still put it in a positive light, right? And that's what everyone's kind of doing. Stumbledore. Yeah. Stumbledore over here telling jokes. Telling absolute jokes. I got my feet up right now. I'm chilling. I'm looking at red across my screen, and you know, it's okay because Bitcoin's bouncing back up. George told me that Bitcoin's bouncing back up. So we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. I'm just playing. George, if you're watching, man, I'm just playing with you, bro. I hope you're doing all right, man. I understand the situation you're in, and I would say I wouldn't want to be in your shoes right now. I would say that. You in stables or fiat on exchanges? Stables or fiat? Stables, man. I'm not as worried as everyone is about stablecoins. Luna's supply. Luna actually might be a lower price than Shiba now. Who would have thought? Holy moly, man. Guys, I gotta look. Oh my God, no. You guys ever seen anything like this from like a 20, what was it? $20 billion asset just gone in 3 days? Crazy. Crazy, man. I don't know what to say to that, man. Nothing you can really say. Luna officially, guys, no laughing, man. No laughing, okay? Toxic positivity. All right, what's better? Trying to make yourself positive or being what the rest of the world is today? Come on, man. Do you see the world that's out there right now? It's okay to try to be positive, man. Do you see the shit show that the world that we live in right now? Clint, have a good night, man. Thanks for coming in and hanging out. Nothing can go from George selling his Legos. George selling his Legos. I gotta do it, man. Listen, it's all for fun, man. You gotta laugh. All you can do is laugh, man. Shit. I gotta stream in like 20 minutes. How can I make some money? Shit. God, I can't sell my camera. I need to stream. My Lego set. Fuck. Drink. My Lego set. No. Can't sell my Lego. Shit, I gotta go live. Oh, God. Not the Harry Potter set. God damn. Let's see how much it's worth on eBay. $50? Shit, man, I can't sell my Lego set. I gotta go live. Let me make my smile. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're gonna. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh God, what do you know about Shibnobi? Shibnobi? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Someone make an NFT of the Luna crash. The NFT of the Luna crash. Don't do that, man. It's too soon for that. Too soon. Too soon. Which wait till everyone talks about Luna like they did freaking BitConnect. Okay? Eventually some people will talk about Luna like it was BitConnect. It's too soon. It's too soon. George selling trading courses now? Come on, man. You guys are too mean. I guess I'm feeding into it, so I can't really say I'm not. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin trying to hold the 20 EMA. Is it gonna hold? Time will tell. Time will tell. Time will tell. Mega Spice said, "I think it will be never." Mega Spice has got some serious content in the comment section. I think there will be never be blow off tops anymore, like in the past. It's easy to manipulate the market with two humps, like what happened recently. Two humps. Two humps. I see what you did there, Mega Spice. I see what you did. Does someone say humps? Where's the humps at? Mega Spice! Where's the two humps? My humps, my humps, my humps, my humps. My lovely lady lumps. Check it out. I met the girl down at the disco. She said, hey, 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 let's go. Oh, God, Bob. Not those humps, Bob. Not those humps. But yeah, I would tend to agree. I don't think we're going to see like the, oh my gosh, look at Bitcoin. It's going up like 80% in a day. Oh no, here it comes. It's coming back down 80%. I don't think you'll see that again. I've said slow, gradual growth for BTC, which is fine. What I mean by slow is not, what I mean by slow is you got to get this whole like freaking, oh, I'm going to 100x, I'm going to 1000x out of your freaking head. Okay, what I mean by slow is, all right, let's say Bitcoin drops to, let's just use 20K as a nice even number, right? And then maybe Bitcoin goes up to 100K, 150K. If you invest enough, you're going to be mad about a 5 to 7x? No. You're not. If you accumulate the way you shouldn't be mad about a 5 to 7x. And that's 100, 150K. That's a lot lower than typically what Bitcoin does in a bull market. So I'm lowballing it here, okay? You can't be mad about that. You can't be mad. That's what I mean by slow. It's not really slow. It's what people think, that people come into crypto think you're going to 100, 1000x, which you can if you get in the right altcoins. But most people don't, because they don't get at the bottom, you know? You guys, too soon with some of these jokes, guys. Like, I think they're good jokes, and they're gonna be really good jokes in a few weeks to a few months. But too soon for some of these jokes, man.
Luna crash going down in the history books.
Too soon.
What do you think will be the lessons learned from the debacle?
Sergio said, Luna crash going down in the history books. Moving forward, what do you think will be the lessons learned from the debacle? Don't be overinvested in altcoins. Simple as that. Every time something like that happens, more people realize that Bitcoin and ETH are the way to go because they've been around the longest and they hold up the best in bear markets. Simple as that. I don't even think it's just Luna that's showing that. I think it's just the absolute carnage of altcoins you've seen the last couple weeks. I think that's what's showing it. Don't be overinvested in altcoins. You know? I wish I was 100% Bitcoin and ETH right now, if I'm being honest. But I'm not. Don't put your money in algorithmic stables. True. Red said, I'm excited with these low prices. A lot better when I started buying in April. Very true. Very true. In general, it's very bad for crypto. Facts, K-Day. Appreciate you for checking in, though, Jerry. I appreciate that, man, if you're still here. What'd Cody say? What'd Cody say? I'm seeing Cody LOL. Where's Cody? Let's see here. Every project that has reference to space. What the heck is happening with ETH? It's dropping. It's dropping because the Bitcoin's looking shady, right? Everything's kind of dropping. Market's kind of slow right now. It's weirdly kind of just leveling out right now. I think we're going to see a big move, guys. I know I say this a lot, but look at the volume. Look, after a massive volume day, look at the volume just declining now, right? Look at the volume declining on the hourly time frame. After huge volume coming in. I wouldn't be surprised tonight, just like we saw last night, like literally overnight Bitcoin dumped. I would not be surprised overnight if Bitcoin dumps again. I would not be surprised. At least to make a W formation. All right, we know Bitcoin loves to make W formations, right? And it has a big wick down here. What does Bitcoin typically like to do? It loves to come back down and recover the wick. All right, you got a wick all the way back down to 25,300. I would not be surprised with volume just falling off here to see Bitcoin coming back down and at least recovering the wick, if not making lower lows. Would not be surprised whatsoever. Right now, we're kind of just chilling, right? We're kind of just chilling. Price isn't really moving. It's going to give at some point. It's going to give. I think I'm betting down here. You got people betting up, but we shall find out. Would not be surprised if we see a big move tonight. Would not be surprised whatsoever. I was hoping to catch it on stream, but we'll find out. Why is P Rocket going down? What kind of question is that? Can we get a big, girthy, engulfing green candle? Are we ready for that, though, Mike? Are we ready for that? What do you think Bitcoin ETH flow will be? I understand your answer is not financial advice.
What do you think BTC and
Stay and Jacob, man. You're coming in.
I understand your answer is not financial advice.
Bitcoin, I'm saying the low is going to be the 200 SMA. You could get a wick below, but I'd say Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, all right? Just make sure you listen to this. On the weekly, I'm predicting the close of the low will be above 22K. Now, where it could go in that week, who the frick knows? You can get a wick below the 200 SMA. You have in the past. But I think the weekly close will be, the low candle will be above 200 SMA, which right now is at 21,800. So for me, I don't see Bitcoin having a close below 21,800. Take that for what you will. Can you have a wick? Absolutely. But that's the close price. Close price is what matters to me. Ethereum, Captain ETH. Oh my. Captain Ethereum is, let's see, ETH. Here we go. Ethereum's at 1943. If Ethereum has been generally following Bitcoin. I could see ETH, if Bitcoin drops another 25% or so, that would put ETH somewhere around 1,400. I could see ETH coming back down to test its previous all-time high. Somewhere around 1,400, 1,468, but its previous all-time high. That's probably where I'd see ETH going in the event that Bitcoin went to the low 20Ks. Somewhere around 1,400, with maybe a wick slightly below. But that would be my best guess. It's a guess. Who knows what's actually going to happen? But that would be my best guess based off history. Damn, that's close to sock eating territory. It is. Very, very close. I hope we don't get any wicks below 20K. What if it wicks to 19,999 and then closes above the 200 SMA and then just chills, right? And that would be worst case scenario for me. Absolute worst case scenario. Because I would have to eat the sock. Actually, that wouldn't be bad. In hindsight, I can just eat the sock. Like this guy eats the sock right here. Right? Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does, man. You guys want to watch the eat the sock video? This is what I'm going to do. Let's see. All right, so he puts mushrooms in the sock. All right, if you guys are confused, if Bitcoin drops below 20K, I have to eat a sock on stream. So let's watch it from the beginning. So he's cutting the sock. He's cutting the sock like this. So he didn't cook it. And then he puts the sock. Let me just fast forward a little bit. With onions. He looks like he puts mushrooms in there. He's got some oil in there. He just how to eat a sock is the name of the video. I don't know. Like he has no reason. He's just eating the sock for no reason. So he's cooking it with mushrooms and onions. Okay. We'll see what comes next here. All right. Does he do anything else fancy? Let's see. Does he put any seasoning in there? Let's see. No, he just puts it on a plate. Okay. So this is on his plate. Let me see him eating it. This guy like actually eats socks? What's wrong with this guy? He's just eating a sock. What's his face? He likes it, man. What's wrong with this guy? He likes it. He's like smiling like Vitalik. All right. Anyways, yeah, that's probably what's gonna go down, man. It's probably what's gonna be left. That can't be healthy? No. Maya said I'm not allowed to do that. All right, guys. On that note, I'm probably going to call a stream. Not really much going on right now. Like I said, I think we could see a move tonight like we saw last night. Volume is just falling off a cliff here, and usually when there's low volume, that's when we see the move. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. We're doing another morning stream at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are there. If I don't see you then, I'll see you at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. All right? Adios, amigos. Have a good night. I never know what's going to happen between streams, so make sure you guys are ready for whatever happens, man. You heard what I said. You heard what I'm doing. You take your own plan. Don't follow me. Go up your own plan, but make sure you have a plan, all right? These are the times that are the most important to be in crypto. All right, adios, guys. Later. Peace out. Oh, I got to refresh. I'm going to be here awkwardly. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. You guys can still see me. See me. See me. See me. See me. See me. It's a pretty good song, actually. See me. See me. See me. All right. Adios, guys. See you tomorrow.